I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's so nice to be back.
It's great to see you, Paul. Today, we're going to talk about a very helpful topic: how to remember English words easily.
Yes, this is something many English learners ask about. I learn new words, but then I forget them. Sound familiar?
Yes, very familiar. But don't worry. Today, we'll give you easy and fun tips to help you remember new English words.
That's right. And before we start, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, English 365, and give this video a like. It really helps our lessons reach more learners like you.
Okay, let's start with tip 1. Use the word right away.
Yes, when you learn a new word, don't just write it down. Say it, use it, or make a sentence.
Exactly. For example, if you learn the word beautiful, you can say, "This is a beautiful day," or "You have a beautiful smile."
Nice examples. When you use the word, your brain remembers it better.
So, here's your practice. Say a sentence with beautiful. Good job.
Remember, the more you use a new word, the more your brain says, "Hey, this is important."
Tip 2. Connect new words to your life. This means think about your world when you learn.
Yes. For example, if you learn the word coffee, you can think, "I drink coffee every morning." That's about you, your real life.
Exactly. Or if you learn friend, you can think of your best friend's name. Say, "My friend's name is Sarah."
That's a great trick. When words are connected to your feelings or your life, your brain keeps them longer.
Yes. So the next time you learn a word, don't just look at it. Make it part of your story.
Now, tip 3. Listen to English words, not only read them.
That's a very important one. When you listen to the word, you learn how it sounds, how people say it, and how it feels in real life.
Exactly. For example, you can listen to English songs, short podcasts, or this one, the English 365 podcast.
Yes, our podcast is a great start. When you hear new words again and again, you remember them better.
So don't only study from your book, try to listen and repeat.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Listen and repeat. Good. Tip 4. Group words by topic.
Oh, yes, this one helps a lot. When you study many random words, your brain gets confused. But if you learn them by topic, it's much easier.
Right. For example, you can learn all words about food together. Bread, rice, apple, coffee, sandwich.
Or words about the house: chair, table, kitchen, bed, door.
When words are in the same group, your brain can find them faster later.
It's like keeping them in one word family. So next time, don't just learn one word. Learn a few connected ones.
Tip 5. Write the words and say them out loud.
Yes, writing helps you remember how the word looks. Speaking helps you remember how it sounds.
That's true. Let's take the word happy. You can write it 3 times. Happy. Happy.
And say it while you write it. That way, your eyes, your hand, and your ears all work together.
Exactly. You can even make flashcards. One side with the English word, the other side with a picture or your language.
Flashcards are small, easy, and fun to use anywhere, on the bus, before bed, or at school.
Now, our last tip. Review often, not just once.
Yes, don't study a word one day and forget it. Go back and review it again tomorrow, and again in a few days.
Your brain loves repetition. Every time you see or hear the word again, it becomes stronger in your memory.
Think of it like watering a plant. You don't water it once and forget it. You water it again and again, then it grows.
Exactly. Your English words will grow too when you review them often.
Let's hear a short story using today's tips.
Okay, here's a simple one. Hi, my name is Tom. I'm learning English every day. Yesterday, I learned the word coffee. I said, I love coffee. I used the word and now I remember it.
That's a great example. Tom used the word, he connected it to his life, and he remembered it. Now it's your turn. Can you make one small story using a new English word? Good job.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
I'll ask a question and you answer. Ready?
Question 1. Should you use new words right away or wait 1 week?
Right away.
Question 2. What helps you remember words better? Reading only or listening to?
Listening to.
Excellent. One more. Should you learn random words or group them by topic?
By topic, of course.
Yes, you're amazing.
So today we learned 6 easy ways to remember English words. Use them right away, connect them to your life, listen and repeat, group them by topic, write and say them, and review often.
That's right. If you do these things, your vocabulary will grow faster every day.
Thank you so much for listening to English 365. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
And tell us in the comments, what new English word did you learn today?
We'd love to read your answers.
See you next time, and remember, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.